Hello friends, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. Today I will discuss about critical evaluations of scientific paper. So what you look and what is the important point, I just mention one by one. In checklist, we have the abstract summary. Now, what is the critical point? First, is the abstract intelligible? Does the abstract accurately describe the objectives and results obtained? Does the abstract include data not presented in the paper? Does the abstract include materials that cannot be substantiated? So these 4 points you will have to check. In introductions, you have to check, did the authors indicate why the study was undertaken? इन्होंने क्यों किया? Was the background information provided adequate to understand the aim of the study? In method, you have to check and you have to find out where the methods described in sufficient details for others to repeat or extend the study. If standard methods were used, were adequate reference given? If method were modified, were the modification described carefully? Have the author indicated the reasons why particular procedure were used? Have the author indicated clearly the potential problem with the method used? Have the author indicated the limitations of the method used? Have the source of the drug or any source of according to your paper been given? And have the author specified the statistical procedures used? Are the statistical method used appropriate? You have to check this point and this type of questions whenever you are reading any scientific paper and if you are the reviewer. Results. In results, you have to check where the experiments done appropriate with respect to objective of the study. Do the results obtained make sense? Do the legend to the figures describe clearly the data obtained? Are the data presented in tabular form clear? Are the legend to the tables clear? Has appropriate statistical analysis been performed on the data? So these things, whenever you read any scientific paper or if you are reviewing the scientific paper, check this point is there or not. Discussions, where the objectives of the study meet. Do the author discuss their results in relations to available information? Do the authors indulge the needless speculations? If the results obtained were statistically significant, were they also biologically significant? If the objectives were not met, do the authors have any explanations? Do the author adequately interpret their data? Do the author discuss the limitations of the method used? Do the author discuss only data presented or they refer consistently to unpublished work? So friends, this point is also very important. Now, references. Do the author cite appropriate papers for comments made? And do the author cite their own publications needlessly? So friends, hope this information will be helpful to you.